It's been 1 year to the date and I'm making it official with this video. I'm ready to sell flying wheels. My car dealership is officially for sale. This is my shop. I'm going to give you a walkthrough of the entire thing, tell you what we're doing, what we've done, how much we've made in profits and revenues and sales. And if anyone's interested in purchasing this dealership, hit me up. So my name is Craig. I own Flying Wheels right here. This is my shop. I bought this building back in 2014. I started Flying Wheels back in 2010. Before that, I was in Orlando with a car dealership that I owned down there. I moved up here, started it in an industrial building, eventually bought this. We paved it, we did the roof, we built an office, and we got the licenses for our dealer's license, retail license with 4 plates, and we're a state inspection station. Now, it may not seem like we have a lot of cars here today, which is true. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cars. That's my rental. We have space here that has once had 30 cars here. Now, in the heyday of Flying Wheels, when we were fully stocked in inventory, cars lined up all the way down our front line, our sideline, and then our sideline over there, some doubled up over here. We were selling over $2 million a year in cars. It was incredible. Our net profits were astounding. This business has been amazing for me. It helped buy commercial properties for me. It helped pay off my home. It helped me move to Florida, which is the reason we're selling the dealership. Now, the parking lot is paved, it is smooth, and as you can see, we do have heavy traffic. This is actually a slow time. It's really, really early in the morning when I'm shooting this video, and there's still consistent traffic going down the road, so we get a lot of exposure. We are an inspection station in our town, and we have a lot of the auto repair business in town as well. Now, this right here is what we call our front line. That's usually our cars stacked up for service, and sometimes we pile them over in the corner. And then this is what I would consider my other front line. As cars are driving by, they can see our for sale inventory right here as well. Now, although it looks like a 3-bay, I'm gonna give you a walkthrough of the entire shop. Walking into our front door, this is our office. So this is where our manager sits. This is where she sells. This is where she does the financing. We do have a financing license as well, a banking license with the state of New Hampshire. And then that is my little desk for the times that I do come here. Now, in a minute, I'm gonna explain to you why I'm selling the dealership and what's been going on at Flying Wheels over the past year. Let's walk through here over to this door where we have our service bays. So we are a full service station, and like I said, inspection station. We have 2 lifts, 1 lift right here, 1 lift right here. Now, in the winter, or if we need to, we can fit 3 cars in this bay, 1 up in the air and 2 underneath. And then in this bay as well, 1 up in the air and 2 underneath. So 6 cars total in the inside of this garage. Now, going back into my office, the floors have been epoxy coated recently, not that long ago. This office was just recently redone with the barn doors and everything. Going back here, we have storage as well. There's plenty of space to fit an extra car if you need to. They can fit through the barn doors, and this garage door is still optional. Walking through here, we use it as storage for extra wheels, tires, and parts, and overflow. The bathroom is in the back corner over there. And then walking through, we have our garage bay. Now, like I said, it is a service station as well, so we do basic maintenance on vehicles in town. We even had the police station for a while. We do oil changes, brakes, we do inspections, we do ball joints, tie rods, easy maintenance. We don't get into transmissions, engine swaps, anything too difficult, but that's up to you and your capabilities. As you can see, we have a lift right here. We also have an attic with storage upstairs, and then space back here for our compressor and everything else that we need. Now, I've been in business here for 10 years at this specific location. I am not selling the building. The building will be leased to whoever purchases the dealership. If you'd like the name Flying Wheels and the business and the records and a walkthrough on how to just cash flow instantly with our business, I mean, we are a literally you walk in making money business. You can rent the building and we'll show you how to transfer all the licenses, all the business registrations, the inspection license, all of that into your name. So here's my shop right here, and if I go right to that telephone pole way down there, that is the main 111 highway. You can see the sign, and if I go straight through, 15 minutes is the state border of Massachusetts. So 495, 95 is right over there. Now, if I go to the right on Route 111, 15 minutes this way is exit 3 on Route 93. It's the 3rd exit into New Hampshire. We get so much traffic from Massachusetts brought over because of those 2 highways. Now, behind me, 20 minutes that way is Route 101. Manchester is 30 minutes from here. The coast, the sea coast, is 30 minutes from here in that direction. So we are centrally located in southern New Hampshire, near the ocean, near the main cities, and near the state of Massachusetts, all bordering us. We do have LED lights, we have security cameras set up, we have parking for everybody. We have parking for your employees, and like I said, this is turnkey. I am not selling my staff because they're human beings, they are people. It's up to them if they'd like to stay, or up to you if you'd like them to stay. I have a wonderful manager. Lauren has been taking care of this business for over a year. She knows the ins and the outs and how everything runs. We'll also introduce you to the appropriate people at the auctions and show you how the auctions locally work, how we transport vehicles back and forth here from the auctions. Everything we've been doing for 10 years at this location, 15 years total in New Hampshire. I'll walk you through in a step-by-step guide on how you can just walk into this business and take it over yourself. Craig, why are you selling? I love Flying Wheels. I love everything I've built, everything I've created. But a year ago, I decided it was time to move on, and I moved to Florida. I don't live here anymore. I don't live in New Hampshire. I come back to visit, and it's really difficult to manage this business remotely. This is a hands-on business. Now, if I had 2 locations and I can go back and forth daily or weekly, it would be a different story. But living 1,500 miles away is so difficult to run this remotely. Now you'll see we only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, one over there, 7, and the Traverse. We only have 8 cars for sale. We are typically selling 20 cars a month, and 20 cars a month at, say, a 2,000-ish on average profit is $40,000 a month in revenue. So we average between $30,000 and $40,000 a month in revenue. We've had years where we've sold over $2 million in gross sales, and all of this can be verified with tax documents if you need any of it. Now, as you can see, that is Lauren's desk. Lauren has been running Flying Wheels for almost a year now. She was managing it next to me for 6 months before that. She's done a wonderful job, and I've explained to her that my goals were to eventually sell this place. I wanted to establish myself in Florida before I just close up shop and close up everything that I've built. It needed to take time. I needed a process to establish myself down in Florida. Now that I have, I'm ready to move on. Lauren has the option of purchasing it. She's not in a position to purchase it yet. So if someone else is available and is interested in it, hit me up and let me know what you're thinking. Now, the price is negotiable. I don't want to say a price online, but I can tell you, again, I've paid off my house. I own my house because of this business. All of my inventory has been paid for in cash. You saw my $400 to a Ferrari series. I started this business with $400. My wife was cared for. My kids are cared for. There's food on the table. Vacations have been paid. Trips and vacation homes and everything that you could ever imagine has been created because of this business right here. It's been wonderful. It's been wonderful. But the next part of my life is something I'm looking forward to, and I don't need to be here. And it's not in New Hampshire. So if someone else wants to take on the opportunity, someone else wants to live the way I was able to live and raise a family the way I was able to raise a family, let me know. This business has been so good to me, and I don't want to just end it. I want to pass it on to someone else that can take it over and carry it on as their own and care about it the same way I did. So if you're interested, reach out to me at www.flying-wheels.com. We can talk about price. I can go over numbers with you. I am not doing owner financing, so you need to have cash in hand or have an SBA loan established and ready to go, or have financing on your own, maybe through family, friends, or local banks. So get yourself in order before reaching out. But if it's something you're seriously interested in, hit me up, let me know, because this has been a great business. It's been just a wonderful, wonderful thing in my life. And I want to pay it forward. I want someone else to be able to have the same benefits that I had, my family had, thanks to Flying Wheels and everything that's here. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you're interested.